how to find your college information privacy settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your college information privacy settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in top corner and go down, click settings and then click this one, profile information, and just click this pen here on your college and click here, and as you see here you can manage privacy settings. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.